Have you ever wandered through the misty glens of Scotland and felt a magical presence in the air? Today, I'm diving into the enchanting world of Scottish folklore to uncover the mystical beings known as brownies. In the heart of Scotland, brownies, pronounced broony, are tiny benevolent fairies. But don't call them fairies to their faces. They might not appreciate that. These little folk are small dwarves with coal-black eyes, pointed ears, big eyes, and long fingers. Dressed in earth-toned suits, they blend seamlessly into their surroundings. Brownies are nocturnal helpers, seeking out the homes of good, honest, and humble people. Once they find a worthy household, they quietly set about cleaning, organizing, and sometimes even adding new things. However, there's one catch: they despise cats. If you have a feline friend, don't expect a visit from a brownie. These magical beings love to be appreciated. Leaving out food like milk, honey, ale, porridge, or cake might just earn you a nighttime visit. But beware, brownies abhor liars, crooks, and the immoral. Cross them, and you might find your house in disarray or belongings mysteriously vanishing. Sometimes, a brownie finds a home they adore and decide to stay. They'll usually reside in the attic, cellar, or woodshed, working only during the night to avoid being seen. But not all brownies are housebound. Meet the uruishk or urisk, a cousin of the brownie found near streams and waterfalls. While kind and sociable, the uruishk won't help with chores. Reclusive in spring and summer, they become more approachable after the harvest, often seen pestering milkmaids for extra dairy. Sporting long yellow hair and a blue bonnet, they always carry a walking staff. So next time you're in Scotland, keep an eye out for these magical beings. You never know when a brownie might decide to lend a helping hand or play a mischievous prank. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more magical tales.